Oh my god, YouTube, this is disgusting. A cockroach just came out of nowhere. It wasn't just one, there was a couple, but the time I pulled out my camera, this little guy was running around, the other one already went under. Pretty disgusting, I think. What do you guys think? Comment below. Dude, this is Cold Stone ice cream. You want to think of this stuff.
Oh yeah, we are at Cold Stone and Subway.
And this is Subway and Cold Stone.
What is it?
This thing is disgusting. A couple of them pop out here and there. Nasty. But it's an ice cream store. Kind of just gross just seeing this kind of stuff. What do you guys think? Just comment below what you guys would do in that situation. It's ice cream. Do they climb up and crawl over the ice cream? I have no idea. You guys let me know. Pretty disgusting. And here's the sweet cream, the cheesecake, all that good stuff. Strawberry, Snickers, peanuts, walnuts, pecans. Here's all your goodies right here. M&Ms, your cones up there. Check out this. This is the bananas right here. Check this out. As soon as I pan all the way through. This is probably the fake California certificate. I don't know how they passed it. Look at the bananas. Some people eat them, but I would not eat that. Hell no. You guys comment below what you guys think of this. I think it's disgusting. But I still eat the ice cream. That's crazy.
Oh, yeah. You're getting aggressive.